Welcome to my channel product review top 5. Here are the top 5 soldering station. I have carefully reviewed related products from AliExpress and selected the top 5 for you, considering all aspects. Number 5. Soldering Station. The JCD8586D soldering station is a versatile 2-in-1 tool, combining a hot air gun and soldering iron, ideal for SMD rework and repair tasks. Its dual digital displays provide precise temperature control for both functions, ensuring accuracy and safety. The 10-minute sleep mode conserves energy and extends tip life. With fast heat up, stable performance, and convenient operation at 220V, this station is perfect for electronics hobbyists and professionals seeking a reliable, efficient soldering and rework solution. Number 4. Soldering Station. The Yiyua 862D++ is a solid 2-in-1 rework station that combines a hot air gun and soldering iron with reliable PID temperature control and dual digital displays. Its auto-manual air gun mode gives flexibility. Auto shuts off on the holder to save energy, while manual keeps it rolling during intense use. With a broad temperature range 100-480 degrees centigrade and airflow up to 120 liters min, it suits BGA-SMD repairs and phone board work efficiently. Number 3. Soldering Station. The 750W8586 2-in-1 digital ESD hot air gun soldering station is a reliable tool for professional and electronics repair. It combines a soldering iron and hot air gun with adjustable temperature control and digital display for precision work. The ESD safe design ensures protection for sensitive components, while the 750W power provides quick heat up and stable performance. Ideal for IC and SMD desoldering or rework tasks, this station offers great value and durability for everyday use. Number 2. Soldering Station. The Yofuli 750W8786D hot air soldering station is a reliable 2-in-1 rework station, combining a hot air gun and soldering iron for SMD and PCB repair. It heats up quickly with precise temperature control and stable performance. The digital display makes adjustments easy, while the ESD safe design ensures component protection. Ideal for both professionals and hobbyists, this station offers great value with durable build quality, efficient heat recovery, and smooth operation for delicate electronic repair tasks. Number 1. Soldering Station. The Yiyua 948-2 4-in-1 intelligent soldering station is an excellent all-in-one tool for professional and hobbyist electronics work. It combines a desoldering suction gun, hot air rework station, soldering iron, and suction pen in one compact unit. The temperature control is precise and the digital display makes operation easy. Its strong suction power ensures clean desoldering while the hot air gun heats quickly and evenly. A reliable, efficient, and space-saving workstation for any repair bench. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for next video.